Hi everybody, welcome back to Rockwell Process Consulting. And we're going over the 10 steps to create your own company. And step number 5 is creating your own logo. So I created my own logo here. This is mine. It was very quick and easy to do. I enlisted the help of Firebrand Creative House. They are a branding, UI, UX, print design company based out of Inglewood. And they were tremendously helpful and easy to work with. They give you a few different options depending on what you're looking for. They'll give you some options. They'll come up with things on their own. You can provide them your starting point if you have one. If not, they'll ask you a lot of questions to understand about your business, your mission statement, what's important to you, what your values are, a lot about you and your background and your company to integrate that into a logo idea if you don't have one, which I went into that not knowing anything about what I wanted whatsoever. But the interview process that I went through with Shessa was amazing. She learned a tremendous amount about me and my company in a very short amount of time. And the logo that she came back with and the options for it were great right off the bat. It was hard to choose because she came up with so many great ones right off the bat. But we went through a few iterations and ended up with what I have now. So if you have no idea what you want to start with, they can help you out. It's a great place to start. And if you have your own, that's great too. So that's the next step. That's step 5 is creating your logo. You want to make it, simple and easy to remember. I got some advice on this from family as well on the colors. Different colors mean different things. So there's a lot of research that you can do online on branding and what all these things mean and what's important in a good logo. So go ahead and do that research, but it could be just as simple as enlisting the help of an outside source that really knows their stuff, like Firebrand. So that's step 5, creating your logo, and we'll see you guys next time. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below, and I'll leave some links to Firebrand's website and whatnot in the link in the description below. So we'll see you next time.